Ever notice how some travelers seem to breeze through the cruise terminal looking comfortable and put together, while others are constantly adjusting their bags, shivering in the air conditioning, or sweating in the sun? It's not luck, it's strategy. He looked ready for the beach, but by sail away, he was shivering in the chilly indoor lounges, desperately asking staff if they sold sweatshirts. I'll never forget watching a guy board our ship in Miami wearing flip-flops and tank top. Meanwhile, the couple at the next table sat relaxed in light layers, comfy shoes, and breathable fabrics, completely at ease no matter if they were on deck, at dinner, or exploring port. Your cruise outfit isn't just about looking good for Instagram, it can make or break your comfort on board. After talking to dozens of seasoned cruisers and working in cruise safety, I've learned exactly what not to wear and what to choose instead for maximum comfort, versatility, and even better service from the crew. Ready to transform your cruise experience with a few simple wardrobe tweaks? Let's dive in. Footwear failures. Picture this: you're rushing to catch the muster drill or heading off on an excursion when suddenly your flip-flop breaks on the gangway, or your stiff dress shoes give you blisters on the first day. Cruise ships are deceptively big. Plenty of walking, stairs, slippery decks, and long port days mean you need smart footwear choices. The top 3 cruise shoe mistakes. 1. Complicated lace-up boots or high tops. They re-slippery on wet decks and offer no support when you re-exploring a cobblestone port. They're heavy, hot, and take forever to get on and off in your cabin. Not fun in a tiny cruise ship bathroom. 2. Flimsy flip-flops. I had a friend who wore new espadrilles on embarkation day and ended up buying Crocs in the gift shop by day 2. Sure, they're great for the pool, but don't rely on them for the whole ship. One cruise officer told me they see more twisted ankles and stubby toes from cheap flip-flops than anything else. 3. Brand new unbroken-in shoes. Sea days aren't the time to discover where your cute new sandals rub. The solution: pack supportive slip-on sneakers or cushioned sandals with a backstrap. Easy on, off for your cabin, sturdy enough for port walks, and safe on wet pool decks. If you must have your glam heels or beach flip-flops, keep them in your bag and change as needed. The sock situation: here's something you may not have thought about. Even on a sunny Caribbean cruise, you'll spend hours in heavily air-conditioned lounges, theaters, and dining rooms. Bare feet or cheap socks and stiff shoes can leave you freezing or give you blisters when walking miles in port. Your feet may swell in the heat of port days or long walks, so tight, thin socks can become a nightmare. My tip? Pack breathable, moisture-wicking socks with gentle compression for excursions. They help reduce swelling, keep you comfortable on walking tour, and protect your feet in unpredictable weather. Compression socks aren't just for planes. They're also great if you're older, pregnant, or on long bus rides during excursions. The pants dilemma: do you really want bare legs on that? Should you wear shorts or pants on the ship? If I had $1 for every time someone asked me that on embarkation day, I could upgrade to a suite. Here's the reality: shorts are great on deck or in port. Plus, cruise seats aren't exactly deep clean between every guest, and you'll find all kinds of spills, sunscreen smears, and mystery spots on the fabric. Best choice? Lightweight, breathable pants with stretch. I love cotton blend joggers or linen trousers. Comfy enough to nap in your cabin, but polished enough for dinner or a show. Bonus safety tip: natural fibers, cotton, linen are better in case of a fire. Synthetics can melt onto your skin. It's unlikely, but good to know. The underwear upgrade your cruise needs. Let's be real, no one talks about it, but your underwear choice can make or break your comfort on board. Cruise days are long. You're sitting in shows, walking in port, lounging on deck, sweating, then freezing in a sea. Normal underwear might be fine at home, but on a cruise it can bunch, chafe, or trap sweat. Solution: moisture-wicking, breathable fabrics with flat seams. Think travel or athletic underwear. No tight waistbands, no scratchy lace, no new pairs you haven't tested. My pro tip: pack an extra pair in your day bag. Changing after a sweaty excursion before dinner can make you feel brand new. The layering strategy that changed my cruise life. Cruises are temperature roller coasters. Perfectly warm on the pool deck, freezing in the theater. Blazing hot in port, windy on sail away. There is no single perfect cruise outfit. What you need is a layering system, base layer, breathable t-shirt or tank in cotton or bamboo. Mid-layer, lightweight sweater or zip-up hoodie you can pull on in AC, cotton, linen, bamboo, merino wool. They breathe in the heat, insulate in the cold. Outer layer, light jacket or wrap for breezy decks or cool evenings. Each layer should work alone or together. Bulky clothes just make you sweat outside and suffocate in tight cabin space. One cruiser told me she always packs a soft scarf. It works as a wrap, blanket, pillow, or even sun shield. Material matters. Crossbody or backpack equals hands-free for buffets, excursions, or holding railings on stairs. Natural fibers regulate temperature better than synthetics. Fancy rings and necklaces get caught on railings, tangled in hair in the wind, or lost at sea literally. Accessories that help or hinder. It's easy to pack too many accessories or the wrong ones. Hats, wide brim for sun on deck or in port, packable, so it doesn't get crushed. Bags, avoid huge totes that get in everyone's way in narrow halls. Jewelry, keep it minimal. Sunglasses, polarized if you can, they reduce glare on the water. Bonus tip, a small packable rain jacket. Ports can surprise you with tropical downpours. Your cruise wardrobe isn't about impressing other people. It's about being comfortable, safe, and ready for anything the ship or the port throws your way. Plan smart, pack smart, and enjoy your vacation without a single clothing regret. Bon voyage!